You're gonna miss your Uncle John.
Bye. You're not gonna see any of us. Bye.
Who is here? Who is here, Mama? Look at your Grammy.
Hi, Rose. Hi, Pumpkin.
All right, there goes Joe. He's on the plane.
Wave to me too. Bonnie, look, wave. Wave.
Like, where's the fan? Yeah.
You can't wave? Oh.
It's like, I'm busy.
I bet you on a nice day, this is perfect out here.
It is. It's super nice.
And you get about what?
We need to save the starfish. Save it.
You can't save it, you're still on.
Oh, it's so beautiful. I love that song.
Grammy helps Mom loosen up. She convinced me to give Bonnie a rock.
Kake.
Hey guys, so I'm outside Sportsman's Warehouse. I just finished getting the last of the stuff for the boat. We spent a lot of money, but we have to be safe, especially since I'm running from Wrangell until Kake. Gotta make sure that we have all chains of aspect all covered. So here's a look on the loot for the last bit of stuff that we got. So this is the last day that I'm gonna be in Juneau, and we'll see you tomorrow. All right, good morning everyone. So today's the morning of the 4th. I'm getting ready to board this boat to Wrangell to go get my boat. So I'm pretty excited. tired, but I'm excited. Midnight. It's like 11:45. We're just pulling into our Wrangell stop, and I've been on the boat since like 7 o'clock this morning. So it's been a long day. I'm ready to get off and take a nap or go to sleep or what have you. So yeah, just giving me an update.
Let's see. Mama help you. Okay, here you go. Can you feed yourself? Wow, baby! So big!
Your face is on.
Unloading the barge. Here's all of the hardy board. Pappy and Chelsea are putting him in stacks, and Johnny is up on the flatbed, handing him
still
down.
trying to get our boat.
Yeah, Joe is still in Wrangell. Is he in Wrangell now?
On his way to Wrangell.
Oh, on his way to Wrangell, and he will hopefully get to start the process home. And here's Miss Bonbon. Bonbon.
Getting into the mud.
Bonbon.
You gonna help, baby?
Oh. Oh. Yay, Bonbon.
Alright, I'm not sure if we've said this yet, but I'm gluten-free, and one of Joe's coworkers, who was my coworker also, Miss Kake, sent me some gluten-free stuff. So sweet. And she sent Bonnie her birthday present. We will put it in the pile. We have a pile going on. Are you so excited? Is it almost your birthday? Did you get into the coffee? Oh boy, good thing there wasn't very much left in there. Oh girl, oh no, yeah, there was some left in there. It's all over. Oh babe, golly.
So, here we are. It is the afternoon of the 5th. I was hoping that this would come on the morning of the 5th, but it didn't. Had some troubles this morning getting around and looking at some stuff, picking up some things, etc., etc. But I'm here now, here at the boat. I am getting ready to take off, and I'll be headed to Kake pretty soon. So here's the boat, loaded full of stuff, loaded full of gear. Here's the view from the front. This is what I'm going to be looking out at all this afternoon. I will give some periodic updates. I'm going to be stopping here and there for bathroom breaks, food breaks. I've got to stop in Petersburg for some fuel, and we'll see how it goes. So, wish me luck. I am probably about, I would say an hour outside of Wrangell, half hour outside of Wrangell maybe. Out here in the middle of the water. And I decided to stop and take in some beauty and do a little bit of videoing. And I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of a look-see at why a person could get addicted to being out on the water. So I'm gonna show you guys my view. Here we are. Not a whole lot of anything around. Lots of water. Calm water. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. I'm gonna take you guys back just a hair here. I don't know if you can catch it on the camera, but that little spot right in there, that is a series of cabins. Now, that's called Vank Island, and that is where I grew up doing camps, like Boy Scout camp and school camp, church camp, all that stuff. It's a really beautiful area. I haven't been back since probably before I graduated high school, so it was kind of nice to see that.
Joe made it to Kake! Look, you're on our new boat, babe! Papa. What's in the camera? Oh, get this. Yeah. Do you see the baby? Where's the baby? Come move this hand. Where's the baby? Is there a baby?